Do you ever need to find a link on a web page you visit often? Visually, you might scroll and spot it quickly. Screen reader users often do the same thing by listening to a list of links on the page. But what if the links sound like this?
Click here links to an external site. Link to click here links to an external site. Link to activate. Press enter. Read more. Links to an external site. Link to activate. Press enter. https://umass-amherst.zoom.j/92,683,237,583 links to an external site. Link to activate. Press enter.
Because these links aren't descriptive, you would need to listen to the whole page to get the information about the link, which can be slow and frustrating. This affects sighted users as well. When links aren't descriptive, you have to read around the link to figure out where they lead, adding unnecessary effort, especially for people with dyslexia, low vision, or ADHD. It is more accessible to attach the link to text that describes the link's destination and purpose.
Learning objectives for our course. Links to an external site. Link to activate. Press enter. Course syllabus. Links to an external site. Link to activate. Press enter. Textbook login. Links to an external site. Link to activate. Press enter. Office hours. Zoom. Links to an external site. Link to activate. Press enter.
Descriptive links are clear and improve usability and efficiency for everyone. Highlight the descriptive text and add the link. Find more information about descriptive links and other key accessibility practices in our full course, AccessibleU, Digital Accessibility for Instructors, at umass.edu/ideas.